County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ogden Dunes to near Wilmington to near Wayona, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Looks kind of weird. I just
Source,
see
radar
if
indicated.
there's anything coming in.
Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Chicago Heights, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Park Forest, Madison, Frankfort, Griffith, St. John, Streator, Chesterton, and Lake Station. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no